You won't believe how easy it is to score free Robux in 2025. But the thing is, many people are having such a hard time getting free Robux. So that's why in this video, I will be showing you a secret free Robux method that got my Roblox account from 0 Robux to 150,000 Robux within a matter of minutes. And very few people know about this method. And the best part is that this method works on any device. So it doesn't matter if you're on an iPhone, iPad, Android, or computer. So be sure to stick around until the very end. But really quickly, if you want some free Robux from me, Robux each in 321 boom. Distribute. If you want Robux just like those people, follow all the steps. Alright guys, so just to start off this video, I'm going to be creating a brand new account here on Roblox. So I can prove to you guys that literally anyone can do this method and get free Robux pretty much instantly. So what we're going to do is click on sign up right here. Alright. So as you guys can see, I'm on a fresh new account right now with 0 Robux in my account because I literally just made it. Now, as you guys can see right here, my character is looking not the greatest. I'm looking pretty poor, and you guys might be as well. But do not worry because by the end of this video, I will have over 150,000 robots in my account. So everyone watching right now pay very close attention to what I'm about to do because we're going to go ahead and turn you from a bacon hair into a complete boss. Anyways, guys, what we want to go ahead and do right now is make our way over to the settings icon right here in the top right corner. So once you're here, what you want to go ahead and do is change the language. So all you guys need to do from here is just click on whatever language you're on. For me, it's English, and it's probably English for you as well since you're watching this video in English right now. But what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see this one right here at the very bottom. And what you want to do is just click on it. It should then say unsupported language. While some experiences may use a selected language, it is not fully supported by Roblox.com. So if you guys see this pop up, then that's a good sign, because it means you guys are about to get the free Robux. Anyways, what you need to go ahead and do is just click on OK. Then the page should refresh automatically, and it should still be in English. Now, what we want to go ahead and do right now is click on the Robux icon right here. Then click on Redeem Roblox Codes. Now, guys, once we're here, what we want to go ahead and do is type in this code right now, Robux Gifts. So what you need to do is just type in the code exactly like this. And all we need to do from here is just click on Redeem 3 times. So that's 1 to 2 and 3. After we click on it 3 times, it's going to say invalid code right here. But this is actually normal and it's part of the method. So what we want to go ahead and do now is make our way over to the Robux tab right here. Now once we're here, you guys will see this limited item right here. So as I'm recording this video, it says Clockwork's Golden Shades, but by the time you guys are watching it might be a different item. But don't worry because you guys will still be able to get your free Robux, which is what you clicked on this video for. Anyways, what you want to do is click on the 22,500 Robux option right here. Now, once you guys are on this page, what you want to do is click on Redeem Roblox Card right here, and there should be a text box for you to enter a code. Now what you want to do is just enter Roblox Gifts, so the same code as last time, and then just click on Redeem. Now after you do this, it should say an unexpected error occurred. Please try your request again later. So from here what you guys need to do is leave the screen exactly as it is. Then click on the Roblox icon, and go back to where it says Redeem Roblox Codes. Now, once you guys are here, you're going to want to go to, like Google Chrome or Safari. It doesn't matter if you guys are using an iPhone, iPad, or a PC, whatever device it is, just open the pin link and it should bring you to this page right here now. Once you guys are here, all you have to do is type in whatever code is showing on this green thing right here. So for me it says Secret 4, so I'm going to be typing in Secret 4, and below here it says Roblox username. What you guys want to do here is type in your Roblox username and make sure it's spelled correctly and it's your actual username, not your display name. Because if you put your display name, it's not going to work. Then from here, all you guys have to do is just click on Redeem. After that, this thing right here should pop up saying you're almost done. So if you guys get this pop up as well, then it means you're about to get the free Roblox. From here, what you guys need to do is just type in your username again in this text box. then click Next. Your Roblox username should show up right here, and then assess your code is valid. Complete any one of the offers below to instantly receive 25,000 Robux. Now, the cool thing about this website is that if you complete only one activity, then you guys will get 25,000 Robux, obviously. But if you complete 2 activities, then it's actually going to give you 50,000 Robux. So, basically, every time you complete an activity on here, it's going to send 25,000 Robux to your Roblox account. It's kind of like Microsoft Rewards, except they pay much larger amounts of Robux for just downloading an app or completing a short survey. So just to show you guys that this works, I'm going to be downloading Opera GX right here, since it's the first one on the list. So I've just downloaded Opera GX browser onto my computer right here. As you can see, it says offer completed. So now all I have to do from here is make my way back over to the Roblox Redeem tab and type in the same code as last time. I'm going to be typing in Roblox gifts into the code section right here and make sure it's all in caps. So as you can see now, I have the code typed in. All I need to do from here is just click redeem, and I should be getting 25,000 Robux, just like the website said. But before I do that, be sure to watch until the very end of this video, because I will be showing you another free Robux method. So watch until the very end without skipping, so you don't miss out on anything. Anyways, I'm going to be redeeming this in 321 redeem, and there we go. Code successfully redeemed. 25,000 Robux will be added to your balance. So as you can see right here, I just got 25,000 Robux from literally just entering in a few codes and downloading an app, which is literally insane. So I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure we got the Robux. And as you can see, it says 25,000 Robux right here, which means it did actually work. And since I already have this much Robux from it, I'm going to go back to the other website and do more of the activities on there, so I can get the most amount of Robux possible. So I'm going to be doing these 3 activities as well. All right, save you guys time. I just did all the offers right here on this page. As you can see right here, all the offers are completed. So I should be getting 75,000 more Robux after I redeem the code again. So I'm just going to type in the exact same code as last time Robux gifts. Then we should get another 75,000 Robux. So I'm just going to redeem it now, and there we go. 75,000 reward has been redeemed from Robux gifts. So I literally got 100,000 Robux in under 10 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. Google search and type https://clickprizexyz/whitey, enter the website, and free Roblox gift card, and click this claim Robux now.